channel. If you guys enjoyed that little morning montage, I have been loving our new space. Well, I should say we have been loving our new space and kind of just getting settled and feeling at home here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am excited to show you guys some home updates. We already have some, but I'm waiting on a few more things to come in, and then I will share with you guys probably in another vlog, or maybe I'll just wait for the full apartment tour. I don't know, but we have some new stuff coming in that I'm very excited about. But I'm gonna go outside and play with Patrick and Theo. They're on our little patio, and then I'll probably vlog lunch because I'm making a really good salad that I want to share with you. I'm making some lunch, so I thought I would show you what I'm making. It's a couscous salad. Saw it on TikTok, but also Carrie's made this for me before. It's very delicious. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. It's very simple, so I thought I would share because it's a really good, easy lunch to just make quickly. So first up, we have some couscous, shallots, cherry tomatoes, avocado, mozzarella pearls, but mine were bigger, so I cut them up. I just grilled some corn, and then I like adding some almonds. And then for the dressing, I like the creamy Italian white balsamic dressing. Hi! Who is that? Mommy's making lunch. How did you nap? How did you sleep?
Almost a full 3 hours.
We're transitioning to potentially one nap. We're testing it out, right?
Could have put a bird test in there.
Yeah, we do. Some days we do 2, some days we do 1. You want mama? Okay. Final product, looks gorge. I added some basil on top, and salt and pepper. Delicious, easy, fresh. I wouldn't say it keeps very well, so I'd eat it all. Definitely try it. Also, I really like the almonds. A little post-lunch park trip with Theo. Stopped for coffee. I'm gonna go play in the park. Later, Theo is in bed. Patrick and I are gonna have a movie night. We are very excited. I don't know what movie we're gonna watch yet, but I am really excited because today's video, or this segment of the video, is sponsored by Grubhub, which is such a dream sponsorship. Let's be real. Grubhub is great. We use it all the time just for your regular food delivery, but tonight it's coming in clutch because we need movie snacks. We don't have any movie snacks, and they have a convenience feature, which is really great. And it's not just snacks. We've used this before when actually recently we just moved into this apartment.
The toilet paper incident.
And yeah, we needed like some last minute laundry and toilet paper because all of it was packed away and the movers were coming in and we didn't have toilet paper for the bathroom. And so like stuff like that, it's very, very convenient. So we just ordered some snacks. It was a little bit of a debate. Patrick picked out...
Oh, yeah, I picked out some ice cream because I'm a sucker for ice cream.
He also picked up pizza rolls.
How do you, I mean, it's...
What else did we get?
It's
I don't even remember. Now it's gonna be a surprise because we just like went on and we just added a bunch of snacks for the movie that we're about to watch, which we also don't know, but we're gonna wait for our Grubhub snacks to get here. So I have a promo code for you guys. If you use Test Christine, you will get $5 off your $15 plus order of any Grubhub food convenience items. So definitely utilize that. We got the goods. We are shooting today for Backyard Roses pre-fall. The pieces are so cute. We found, well, I found the most stunning fall ish space. It's still so hot. We have to shoot these campaign images so far in advance that, well, not crazy far in advance, it's just, it's still really hot out, and we have like sweaters and long sleeves, so it's really important to be inside so I don't die and sweat to death. So this is the gorgeous pier space. It's very fall themed. We've got lots of like greens and reds and just like warm tones. So I think it's gonna look amazing with the clothing. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of each piece and be a little bit more detailed in this shoot just because we have a little bit more time. Last time was so rushed. So I'm gonna give you an overview of the space because it's gorgeous, and you might want some decor inspo because every time we rent these pier spaces, I get the most insane decor inspo because people just decorate their spaces so beautifully here. So let me show you around. This is the space. It's basically a studio. So the bed's here, cute little desk. I love how she decorated this. There's a couch over here, beautiful fireplace. We have a light stand set up, but cute little table, and then this divider that goes into the kitchen. So it's a cute little small, quaint little space, but I just think it's really pretty. She did such a nice job. Just finished filming the whole try on TikTok, which is a whole process. I thought I would just shoot all of the TikTok at once instead of every time I changed, so I'm sweating now. But we're starting here for the actual campaign photos now. This top is so cute. It's like a perfect, just like cash. You could go out in this top or, you know, dress cute. I put on little sparkly earrings with some jeans and some heels because that's probably what I would wear it with, like going out to dinner or something, or drinks. But yeah, it's just a simple, basic staple top. You know I like making those for you guys. Have on one of the printed pieces. We did 2 printed pieces. This is the dress version, which I think would be so cute for like a fall wedding, like something in September, October. It's just a really, really pretty, flowy, flattering dress. So we did it in the dress version and then a cute little top version. So that's what those 2 pieces look like. And then this one I'm really excited about because we did like a full fashion sweater. This is like a nice chunky knit, perfect to transition into fall. It has a collar, cable knit. I just think it's like a perfect staple piece for fall and winter. So I'm really excited to launch this one. Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna know? Fastest 3 hours ever, but we got it done. Hopefully the images turned out well. Patrick's gonna work on his editing magic and make them look all pretty and dreamy. But yeah, done for the day. Now we get to go see Theo. Happy Saturday. It's beautiful. Finally not 90 degrees. It's like 78. Right? 74, 78?
Yeah, it's perfect.
We're waiting on the bus. We're gonna go get some brunch. Carolyn, we just got here.
Hello. You guys know which Bumblebee?
Let's do right here. Yeah.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. You missed Auntie Carrie. Hi, Patrick.
Hi.
Is it good?
She comes back with water. Yeah.
Okay, I'm back from brunch and I thought I would do a little clothing haul. I got some stuff in the mail that I'm really excited about. Well, I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I already opened one package because I'm wearing one of them for brunch today. Verge Girl, love it. So cute, so flowy. It looks like you're super put together, but it's just like a flowy dress that's just like easy to put on and it takes little to no effort. So I love dresses like this, and this one is just really pretty, and I love that it has a little gold sheen to it. I got 2 other dresses from Verge Girl. This one I really like, although it's a little sheer, so I don't love that, but I loved the color And I just think this has been gonna be a really fun transition piece into fall because of the color, layering it with like a really oversized blazer and boots. Like I love doing that, so I thought this was gonna be really cute. And this one I actually think I might return because I saw online they had a midi dress version of this, which I love. This is just giving very much nightgown. It's just not gonna be as, I'm not gonna wear it as much as I think I would, and it would be like a date night thing if anything. So I think the midi dress is just gonna be a little bit easier to wear. It's gonna be more like this, where it's gonna look nice, but they are just a little bit more comfortable to wear, if that makes sense. The mini dresses can be a little risque, especially, you know, I got a little baby to run around with. Next is a brand I'm really excited about. It's called Local European, and I got myself some parachute pants, you guys. I know, it's all the trend, but I really like them. They're comfy, they're loose, they're flowy, they're my kind of thing, and I got them in this sage color. They're really good sizing too. I think I got the small medium. This one is another kind of unique top. Again, a good transition into fall because it's knit. It's turtleneck, but there's not a lot going on. It looks like this. I thought this design was really unique. Thought it was fun. I could layer it. Yeah, I thought it was cute and different, which is why it stood out to me. So that brand I'm really excited to like keep checking out. It's called Local European. And then lastly, this set I'm really excited about because it's like a full knit set. This is totally going into fall. It's like a really beautiful date night, just like really put together, cute outfit. Like I really, really like it. The quality of this is amazing, and I think if anything, the skirt is one to get because this is gonna be something to layer and just piece together with a lot of fall pieces. So this is We Are Kindred, the brand, and I got it in a size medium for those curious. But I'm gonna end the vlog here before it gets too long. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Huge thank you to Grubhub again for sponsoring today's video, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one.